Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install DBeaver community version 25 on Rocky Linux 9.6. Then we will connect the PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. First open the default web browser that comes with Rocky Linux 9.6, that is Firefox. Then go to DBeaver official website, that is debeaver.io. Then see here, DBeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts, and everyone working with the data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family. And see here we have the community and pro edition. In this video I am going to download and install community because it is free version. Click on download and see here the version number is 25.1. For Rocky Linux or Red Hat or Alma Linux OS, we have to download this RPM package. Click on it to download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 126 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Okay, this will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. cd downloads ls. Now install it. Sudo rpm-ivh db. Give the tab to autofill entire rpm package name. Hit enter. Put the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to activities, show applications. See here, go to next tab. See here we have the DBeaver CE, or you can search here. Okay, open it. Now confirm. I don't want. Now click on this plus button. Then we have to select the databases from this list. I have already installed PostgreSQL and MySQL on Rocky Linux 9.6. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install PostgreSQL and MySQL on Rocky Linux 9 operating systems. Okay, select the PostgreSQL, then click on next. Then PostgreSQL is installed on this one. Localhost is fine. Default port is 5432. Database Postgres. So all databases. This is the username. If you have some other, then you have to provide that username. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Click on it. Click on download driver files. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand the connection. Expand databases. Right click on database. SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries against this database. If there are any tables, we have to run the queries. Customer. I have a table customer. See, we got the data. Okay. So we have successfully connected. Now if you want to disconnect, right click disconnect. Delete the connection. Now if you want to connect MySQL, then again click on this plus button, then click on MySQL, then click on next. Host name is, see, MySQL is also install this one, so provide the existing database name. I have database bank username root, then provide the password of this root account, then click on test connection. Again it will ask us to download the drivers. Click on download, success, click on OK, click on finish. Expand connection. Expand databases, expand users. See here we have the users. We have the database bank. Same way, right? We want to run queries. Right click SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. ls. This file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed rm DBeaver. Use the tab to autofill entire RPM package name. Hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver community edition on Rocky Linux 9.6. Then we have connected both PostgreSQL and MySQL server from the DBeaver. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.